Hello everyone, it's me, Paula. I've been gone a long time, so been doing a lot of random things, and yeah, I'm trying to get back into making videos. This is so super hard for me right now. I don't know why, but it is. But I've had this little beauty done for ever, for months and months, and this journal is made with Arty Maze's Poppy Kit. So that ought to tell you how long I've been gone, because this has been out a while, and I made this, yeah, way before Christmas. So, yeah, this one is made out of fabric. I don't even remember what fabric this is. It's been so long. So this is gonna, I didn't even go through it because it's gonna be new for me and you. Because I don't even know what I did. I don't even remember. So yeah, the front of it, this, I know it's 9 by 6. This is, I do know that much. And right here we have a pocket, which is got a cute little sewn tag in it. And I also have a pocket right here with an envelope and a little booklet that I made with paper, coffee dyed paper in there. See if there's anything else. No, nothing else in there. And this is the front. I sewed this image on and put fabric underneath. Little buttons, and I don't know where I got this, but you can see what it is. It's super cute. Did some trim on the binding there, and this is the back. Eyelet closure with seam binding, and let's see. Oh my goodness, there's so much to tell y'all that what I've been doing, but I don't even know where to begin. First I'll go through this, and as it comes to my brain, I'll tell you about it. How about that? Oh my goodness, I miss you guys. It's so weird for me to try to do a video. On the inside is this gorgeous paper with the stripes on it, and I made a little pocket. And it looks to me like I sewed everything in here. I love this. This is cute. I'm going to get back into making my journals for sure, because seeing all y'all's beautiful little journals makes me want to get back into it, like, soon. And we got some doily, some Edith Holden pages. This must flip out if I have a paper clip. Yep, it sure does. And then this, gosh, I'm thinking, I don't even remember where some of this stuff comes from. So my first couple videos are going to be, I can't name everybody because it's been so long since I've done it. And this over here is a little pocket. But I will get back into remembering where everybody's things come from. But I do remember this was a design team project when I did it. So I do know that, and I do know it's Arty Maze, her Poppy Kit, and I will link that below if anybody is interested. And I just have some trim with some bulb pins with little dangles on them. This is clipped on here, and it is a little, got some coffee dyed paper inside. And then this one, and I just clip it on like so. I don't remember even how I just had that, and I don't recall that being like that, so I think it was like this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you have to be patient with me. I don't remember where I got this very vintage page, but yeah, sorry, I don't remember. Here I have 2 sewn tags. This one is a little booklet. And it just tucks under this little spot right there. Don't know where that one came from. Over here, this I think is Tsunami Rose, I think. I don't remember. Another little booklet. I must have made a bunch of little booklets in here. Oh, that page didn't get sewn in. I love that. That's so cute. I think that's Lindsay's cute little tidbits. Little pocket here. And jumbo bridge score paper. Vintage music paper. Let's see if this is, yep, it's a booklet. I made everything a booklet around here, apparently. Oh my goodness. Okay, goes on there. And I did sew a lot in this in this book. A little flip down right there. And one of her jumbo tags. And this is one of Lindsay's, I believe. And this is just a big piece that I just punched all the corners on. It's coffee dyed paper and stamped a little ladybug on there. Okay, and over here is a big old pocket made from 2 of the pages from the kit. What did I do here? Okay. Here is a, I thought that was something, it's just heavy duty. So there's a pocket there, and you flip pocket right here. This is just a little booklet, can be written on. Bunch of tons of writing space in here. I think that's all I did on that. Yeah. Another big pocket with some ephemera inside. Get in there. I love the strings on there. And this little ephemera. Another little clipped on envelope or booklet right here. Another little dangles pin. Another sewn journaling card. The other side of that bag. Oh, look at that. That's been in there forever and ever. Oh, yeah, that's me. Oh, my goodness. I love that. So pretty. This must be an envelope. Oh, a Velcroed envelope. Nothing inside. Made out of Edith Holden book page. With the poppies on it. Another little pocket. Yeah, I don't even remember doing this half of this. It's been so long. Oh, this is so cute. A little bookmark. I love that. You can just put it anywhere in your journal. That's so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Journaling tag. Everything's coffee dyed and sewn. A little Rita Donnelly flip with another little booklet. And that looks like it could be some little foxy bits right there. And this looks like Nick the Booksmith scraps. A little booklet. And this is folds out. Did lots of journaling space in this one. For sure. Love it. Oh, that's cute. See, it's new to me too, because I don't remember doing this. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see what this is. Oh, this folds all the way out. Awesome. And then there's just lots and lots of journaling spots in here. I like that. That's cute. I like my own work sometimes. Love it. Pretty, pretty. And over here, this looks like it could be a, yep, big journaling spot. And some little tidbits. Oh my gosh, I gotta get back into the hang of making these videos because I don't even know what to say. I'm so crazy. Love it. Love it. Cute, cute, cute. Flip. Some more tag. This is just a little tidbit. I love some of these little fabrics in here. Super cute. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, one of my old letters that I've got from 1958. And there's an actual letter in there, or card, from a granddaughter to a grandma. And a little booklet, lots of journaling space. Another little flip up. And lots of extra paper here to journal on. This is not glued shut, it's an envelope from the kit. And I don't know where this one came from. I can't remember, but I love it. And over here is another little booklet made from scraps. Lots of pages, I didn't even count them. But there's a lot. I should have done that before I did the video. This is real ephemera right there. Let's see. I can feel it. Very fragile. And pocket sewn around. Flips out. What do I got here? Let's see what I did. Oh, this just folded over. Cute, pretty little ephemera piece. Don't even need to be clipped on, but I clipped it on, so we're putting that back on there. And then the back has another little pocket. And yeah, that was one of my Arty Mazes design team projects. She is a fluffy little thing, and she is for sale. I know I posted it online before, but I never had a video. So now there's a video, and I think I'm going to put her on sale for $75. And that will include shipping. So free shipping on her. So yeah. And other than that, I have just been like painting things for this little salon that wants me to have my items in there. So I've been doing that. And redoing my house and my craft room. And boy, let me tell you, that is a chore. But I will be getting back into these journals because I miss it so much. I miss all you guys. I miss chatting with everyone. And yeah, if you are interested, please PM me and I will definitely chat at you soon. You will be seeing me more. I just need to practice on making my videos because I get a little video fright going on. I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.